Hi everyone, welcome to our third video of the Egosms channel. So in this video we're going to talk about how to make payments using Egosms. So once you're logged into your Egosms platform, this is the interface, this is what it shows. So you come to payments. So when you come here, you can see how to buy credits, that is how to buy messages, your transaction history, how many purchases you've made for messages so far, and then the pricing per telecom. So on average, this is how we price our messages. However, depending on how many messages you would want to send, the prices vary, and also depending on how consistent you are with sending the messages. So in case you would like to know about pricing, you can always contact us here in our customer care helplines, and they will tell you about the different prices depending on the regularity and also on how many messages you'd like to send. But for now, we're going to talk about how to buy credits messages. So you simply come here and you put your phone number, the number that will have the mobile money code, the number that has the money that you'll be putting on the platform. And then you put the amount of money that you would like. Maybe you can put like 100,000, and then you click on deposit money. So when you click on deposit money, you will receive a message when you click on deposit money, you will receive a message on your phone prompting you to put in your PIN number, and then you can put in your PIN number, and then the money will come to the platform. So when it comes to the platform, it will always be reflected up here next to the home page. You will always see the amount of money that you have put here, and there you will know how many messages you can send. Our messages do not expire, meaning as long as you put money here, it doesn't have a limited amount of time. And yeah, you can always send messages, and whenever you feel like you're lowering on your credit, you can always put more. So that is it for this video on payments, and please like and subscribe. The next video will be showing you how to send an SMS. Thank you for watching.